Alright, what's up guys? It's Coda Climbs here, back with another video. We are here in Tramway. I'm super excited, this is my first time, and I'm with Anthony and Tony, and also two others. And honestly, temperatures look pretty good. There was some light rain yesterday night, but I think it's starting to dry up. It is pretty cold, but hoping to send a couple, and yeah, let's get going.
When it's night over here, over there, it's breaking day. Good times I had a walking in the sand with the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams, like cherry blossoms blooming in the mountain in the early spring. As we walked by the river and she softly took hold of my hand, that's when I fell deep in love with the girl made in Japan. In the dark of night we would lay on Tokyo Bay, and the singing of the birds woke us up at the break of day. Her smiling eyes always seem to try to understand all the love in my heart for the girl made in Japan.
I can bring my left there.
My sister radio comes from far away, and when it's night over here, over there, it's breaking day. She cried when she said she'd been promised to another man. That's when I left my heart with the girl made in Japan. Yes, my heart will always be
rail.
with the girl
Cross.
made
Yeah.
in Japan.
Come on. Switch feet. Yeah. Come on. Throw your feet up now.
Come on. Yes.
Come on.
Yes. Hold it.
Yeah.
Nice. There you go. Come on.
Come on. Come on, Coda. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Alright, so both Tony and I, we got to send
Swing dance.
We both got to send swing dance. Super good. Overall, how'd you feel about it?
A little soft for a 7, but super fun climb.
I would compare it to like a Joshua Tree 5. And to be honest, I feel like we both could have easily flashed it.
Oh yeah, we just didn't have the right beta
Yeah,
for
yeah.
our first go.
Hardest part was definitely just figuring out the end, because like, yeah, just like trusting that.
Yeah, trusting the bat hang.
Yeah. But overall, I mean, I guess we ticked off a 7, and
Yeah.
one of the most famous 7s. And yeah, so now we just got some lunch here. Show the setup.
The goods.
Show the goods.
Oh.
Ooh, we got our nice Costco sandwich. And we got some,
Some mandarins?
yeah, we got some mandarins. yeah, overall good. We got this nice chill spot right here. We're right behind Blue Flame right here. So yeah, we're just gonna eat, take a little break, and yeah, we'll just get at it. All right, let's go. Okay, so quick beta breakdown. So this one is called Blue Flame. It's a V7, and a lot of people have said that this one is a pretty hard V7, so I'm excited to try it. You start right here, you have a right hand here, and you have a left undercling right here, and then you bump up into these nice 2 crimps right here. The left one is actually not bad. It's like maybe like a pad / half pad, but the right is really bad. And after that, you bump into this thick, which is like kind of slopey, but it's like half pad. And then a lot of people, they bump up again right here, which is pretty nice. It's like a full pad. And then from there, you just kind of walk up there and then go up. So we'll see how it is.
You have to go.
If you have energy.
After that, dude, like, you're so far.
You got it.
I'm crying tears through the years. I tell you, life
Come on.
Yes, come on.
Come on. Hold
Come
it.
on. You got it.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
child.
Yeah, high,
Come
yeah,
on.
high. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, come on.
Child, baby. I'm tired.
Come
You
on.
got it. Come on.
Wrapped up in the night.
so good.
In my dreams, nobody but you, baby.
There you go. Hey, nice. Come on. There you go.
You see, baby.
Okay, so I managed to send a 7. I'm super happy. Initially, just trying to get my right crimp on just felt super hard, and honestly, it's a little slippery. Like, it's a little sloped, so it makes it hard to kind of crank down on it. But the bump above it is honestly pretty good. So if you can manage to kind of cut feet and stick it, then I think like you're good. So honestly, for me, I think the hardest part was just executing it and just being able to stick it. But it's funny because literally on my last go, I was able to send it. So I'm super happy. From now on, I'm just gonna try a couple other climbs, like maybe some 5s, maybe some 6s and 4s, and yeah. But yeah, I think in terms of like hard climbing, I'm done. Okay, not sure if you can hear me, but as you can see, my hands are absolutely bleeding. Both hands, because this rock is so sharp, but honestly really worth it. But yeah, definitely bleeding a lot for this trip. But yeah, definitely for the swedge, the hardest part for me is getting a left toe hook and bumping into this side rail, which is really sharp. Completely forgot to film an outro, so here it is. Overall, Tramway was super fun. I could definitely see myself coming back. I also think this is really great because I was able to get an outdoor V7 within one day. I think this shows that I've been improving a lot and I'm getting closer and closer to my goal of hitting an outdoor V8. So super psyched. I'm gonna keep on training, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Gamba! Gamba!